last time that you got a chance to listen to some live music and spend time in a wonderful restaurant with lots of wonderful people, maybe your friends, your family. Well, I'm hoping that the tricks and tips that I've been sending you each week have helped you give back the time that you deserve to enjoy and do some of the things that you love to do. All right, thank you.
Hi everyone, Melissa Colon here, the Distance Education Coordinator for Columbia College. I wanted to show you a few ways that you can extend the attempts and the time and also the deadline for a student within a quiz. So I'm just going to go over here to this quiz and I've already created it, so I need to go back here to edit. So normally when you're setting this up, you would be doing this in the options, but you can also come back and do this even after the fact. So for example, if we have this assign here, after the deadline of the assignment, I could actually add another due date for a different student. Say for example they missed the deadline, I could select a student and add a different due date available until for just that one student. So I did want to show you that was also an available option for us. And that would be done when you're setting up the details of your quiz. Next, I'd like to show you how you can moderate the quiz to extend or actually provide multiple attempts. So let's go back into a quiz. This time, before I go into the edit mode, I'm going to go over here to the right to moderate this quiz. And you'll see the list of all your students, their names, the attempts, the time, the score, and then you'll see this little pencil, which is where you can click on. Now you'll see this dialog box open where you can extend the extra attempts for the students, or you can provide extra time on every attempt for the student, or you can manually unlock the quiz for the next attempt. If you've allowed students to have multiple attempts, then you wouldn't need to reset the attempts. You might need to reset the time. It all depends on your options in the details tab. All right, I hope that helps.